Hi everyone, and thanks for watching my online lesson on plotting straight line graphs. So these questions are often split into a part A and part B, and part A will ask you to complete a table of values. In this example, it's for y equals 2x minus 3, and there's 4 values that they want me to do this for. They've already done it for these two. So first one is x equals minus 1. And we have to find out what y is. And it says y is 2 lots of x minus 3. So here 2 lots of minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 3 is minus 5. So that's minus 5. Then when x is 2, so 2 lots of 2 is 4. Minus 3 is 1. So that's 1. When x is 3, 2 lots of 3 is 6, minus 3 is 3, and when x is 4, 2 lots of 4 is 8, minus 3 is 5. So that's my table of values. Another way to do it, or a really good way to check at least, is that if you notice here my values are always going up in 2s, and that's because the number in front of the x is a 2. If that number there was a 5, then my values should be going up in 5 every time. That's a really nice way to do it and a really good way to check as well. If that value in front of the x was a minus 2, then going from left to right, my values will be going down 2 every time. Once I've done that, I'm now going to use my table of values in order to plot the graph. That's often what part B is. Now I've redrawn my table of values here to the side. You won't need to do that in an exam because you'll have it in part A. So I'm going to plot these. These give me coordinate values to plot. So I've got when x is minus 1, y is minus 5. So that on my grid is going to be minus 1, minus 5, which is there. Then I've got when x is 0, y is minus 3, which is there. When x is 1, y is minus 1, so that's there. When x is 2, y is 1. When x is 3, y is 3. And when x is 4, y is 5. So I'm going to plot all those points on now. There we go, and you should notice that they will make a straight line. If you have any coordinate that is slightly out, like up here, then you need to go back to part A on your table and check that value again, because it shouldn't be that, it should be something different, because they should all join up in a straight line. Now this wouldn't get me the full 2 marks for this part of the question, because it says draw the graph. At the minute I've just got some coordinates plotted in a line. I need to join these up with a straight line in order to make it a graph. So you need to use pencil and ruler for this and make sure it goes through all of the points. That's that done, so that's my straight line graph drawn. Thank you for watching.